Is poor lighting causing you poor visibility on the roadway and drawing up safety concerns? Well, don't worry, because in today's video, we're gonna go over how you can adjust the high beams and low beams on your BMW all in under 5 minutes. Let's get into the video. What's up everybody, my name is Fritz and welcome to the channel. So your BMW headlights are not illuminating the road as much as you would like, thereby sacrificing your safety. Perhaps the reason why could range anywhere from the fact that you just lowered your car. Maybe you upgraded the headlights from the halogens to the LEDs or even the HIDs. Maybe you just got your car and simply put, it does not light up the roadway, even though when you look at the headlights, they look nice and bright. Well, I'm happy to inform you that we don't need any specialty tools for this or even that much time. All that we really need is a Phillips head screwdriver, some painter's tape, as well as measuring tape in order to tackle this job. For the purposes of today's video, I am going to be using this empty parking garage in order to adjust the headlights. But if you have a flat surface against your garage at home, you could do it from there as well. But the first thing that we need to do is determine whether we need to bring the headlights up or down. And the way that we're going to do this is by turning on the car, flipping on the headlights, and looking at where the light is most concentrated. If it's too high, it's not hitting the road. If it's too low, it's not gonna be able to give us enough distance to see what's way far in front of us. And this is gonna be super important for those of us who drive a lot at night. And once we have that information, we can bring the car in closer to the wall. That way we can take our first initial measurements. First is the height of the center of the low beam, which is the outer projector. This will also ensure you're on even ground. Here I got 25.5 inches. Next, tear a couple pieces of painter's tape and place it vertically right in front of the low beams. Then make a line indicating the height of the center portion of the low beam and go down 2 inches, in this case 23.5 inches. Get some more painter's tape and make a horizontal line with the top portion of the tape at the 2-inch drop. Repeat on the opposite side. Now back the car straight up 25 feet away. Pop the hood and turn on the lights. As you'll see, my lights are already positioned well, but if you need to adjust yours, this adjuster can be turned clockwise to bring the beam angle up or counterclockwise to go down. Lateral adjustments can be made with this adjuster, which can be accessed through this hole and may or may not have a cover that can be popped off with a flathead. Turning it counterclockwise goes left and clockwise goes right. Essentially, you don't want the light to go beyond the top portion of the horizontal tape. And with lateral adjustments, I've seen a few different suggestions, but essentially if the brightest area is at the upper portion of our tape box, you should be fine. Also, don't worry about the high beams. They automatically adjust in accordance to the low beams. Once you have it lined up, go for a test drive and see if any additional adjustments are necessary. If you can, I would also suggest seeing how your lights look against a car 25 feet away. If you're below the window, you're all good in relation to the oncoming traffic. Ooh. And just like that, we've dramatically improved our safety on the roadway with a nice even light pattern that doesn't annoy the people in front of us or the oncoming traffic. And all it took was a simple hand tool, some painter's tape, a measuring tape, and a little bit of time. But if you have any additional questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. If you need anything that we use in this video, it's gonna be down in the description links. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see all of you in the next one.